how much gas I have, but I'm pretty sure I'm okay still. I've only been commuting to work and back lately. I was driving my car yesterday, and boy did I just like careful with the cardboard. I crashed on cardboard once. But it's actually how I went down with the R1. I was upstate, and it's about 30 degrees outside. Right now, the weather's just getting warmer now. It's like 41 degrees outside right now. So it's pretty comfortable, honestly. My nose is really itchy for some reason, which is annoying as hell. I also had to adjust my camera settings back to auto because alright, what's going on here? This is a whole freaking funeral caravan right now? It is. My condolences. No ill intent. I just gotta go. Tire slide there. It's a Type R Civic? That's the most funniest shit I've seen this morning. It's a Type R! Ha ha! But yeah, weather's just getting warmer. I had to switch my camera settings back to auto because I didn't have my ND filter on. So it's going to be a little different, I think. slow down, which is the tunnel, of course. Okay. That was fun. Always a good morning when we can rip it. You know what I mean? No texting and driving. Jesus. Going to be a really exhilarating video. That was really nice. That freaking that what do you call it? That police truck that carries the barricades. You almost boxed me up. That was a pure example of trail braking right there. When I was initiating into that turn, I was trailing off the front brake, I think, or no, I was trailing on the rear. I don't know where my hand position was for the front. I think I was just focusing on hitting the apex of the curve right there. So I trailed the rear brake a little bit, eased off the throttle, let the weight of the bike carry itself into the turn. And then once I got through the first initial turn, I bounced back. If my memory is not deceiving me. I will drop a caption if I am incorrect, but I think that's what happened. Other than that, if it didn't happen that way, that is just pure skill and experience on maneuvering out of sticky situations. Because it was literally a car dead in front of me. Let this 40-degree weather keep marinating. I'm okay with that. Anything below that, I'm not okay with. This was a great, fun video. Very quick, fast, because I have places to be. Okay. One guy asked me in my comments, like, if I was sitting upright or if I'm tucked all the time. Because of the way my camera position is, it looks like I'm tucked all the time. But, you know, this is me upright. If I'm tucked, I'm like all the way in the tank. You can't really see anything. So, I think my plan is to switch the camera angle back to that original style. How, you know, it's kind of like close to the windscreen. I mean, the windshield, whatever. Yang, yang. Got another steering wheel right there. Everybody loves the 600S screaming. I sure as hell do. better than a 600, man, I swear.